Here's what you need to know before buying LandlordMax to manage your real estate properties, especially if you're comparing it to other property management software. Stick around to the end, because while it's a good choice for some, there's another option you might want to try, completely free. First thing, LandlordMax is a desktop-based software, which means everything runs locally on your computer. This can be great for privacy and security, but it also means you'll need to back up your data yourself and may miss the convenience of accessing your information from anywhere, unlike cloud-based competitors like Buildium or Appfolio. Next thing, it's a one-time purchase, not a subscription. This makes it cost-effective in the long run compared to monthly fees from competitors, but it does come with fewer updates and less frequent feature rollouts. Third thing, the software is specifically built for small to medium-sized landlords. If you manage dozens or hundreds of properties, it might lack the scalability or advanced features you'd find with something like Rentec Direct or Yardi Breeze. The fourth thing is customization. LandlordMax offers a decent range of templates for reports and invoices, but customizing these further can feel limited. Some competitors provide more flexibility for branding and reporting. Fifth, it's user-friendly, but somewhat dated in design. While it's easier to navigate than more complex software like Propertyware, its interface can feel clunky compared to modern, sleek platforms like Tenant Cloud. Sixth thing, it focuses heavily on accounting features. If you need detailed income, expense, and tax tracking, LandlordMax does a solid job. However, if you're looking for tenant communication tools or maintenance request management, it's not as robust. Seventh, it's offline, so no internet connection is needed. While this might be a selling point for some, it also means no integrations with other tools like payment platforms or CRMs that cloud-based systems often offer. The eighth thing to consider is the learning curve. While straightforward for basic use, mastering advanced features like custom reports or bulk data imports can take time, and support options are more limited compared to competitors offering 24/7 live chat or dedicated account managers. Ninth, updates and improvements are slower. Since it's not subscription-based, you won't get the same pace of updates as SaaS products. Over time, this could leave you without some of the latest features found in competitive software. 10th, it lacks built-in marketing tools. Unlike platforms like Avail or Zillow Rental Manager, LandlordMax doesn't help you list properties or market them directly, so you'll need to handle that separately. 11th, support is email-based only. If you're someone who values fast responses or prefers live chat, this might be a drawback compared to other platforms offering multi-channel support. Finally, the 12th thing. There's no mobile app. If managing your properties on the go is important, this could be a deal breaker, especially since many competitors prioritize mobile functionality. In summary, LandlordMax is a solid choice for landlords who prefer a desktop-based, budget-friendly solution and need strong accounting tools. But if you want something more modern, cloud-based, and feature-rich, there's a better option you can try for free. Check the link in the description to explore our recommended solution.